pre-sentencing of Julius Malema have been postponed to 15 and 16 April 2026. So the gang that was saying that Julius Malema must be sent to jail today. Sonelanda, let's hear your views. How do you feel about these revelations today? So this comes after Julius Malema pulled Advocate Thembeka Nqokaithobe, the top advocate in the country. So the judge said that they need to hear a final argument from AMA representative Julius Malema, of which Advocate Thembeka Nqokaithobe, and then they suggested that they need a better venue because it seems like everything was chaos in that court. So they also suggested 2 days because if ever they don't finish on the 15th of April, then they will also continue on the 16th so that they can finish. A lot of people came to support Julius Malema from across the African continent, including Ukoko Vula wase-Zimbabwe, the biggest. So Julius Malema, after the court proceedings, when he was addressing the crowd outside, the singing in the airplane, it's not wrong, but ucela ama members of the EFF or the ground forces, when they are saying they must now stop, they must also stop, like behavior and understand in the airplanes. We also saw Julius Malema postela something emlomeni, but I will just assume ichapis ne understand umlomo nuke kamnandi mus. So the support of the EFF ground forces at East London, it was enormous, guys, because even the business people at East London, they said the money that they made in the last 2 days at East London, they've never made it even in December during Christmas holidays of 2025. So let's talk in the comment section. Do you still have hope Julius Malema is still going down, or there's no way he's gonna be sentenced, this gentleman? Let's talk in the comment section. Follow, like, comment, and repost.